Today I got the shocks for the Mclaren 570 GT. I mean the door shock, driver and passenger, because the door is not opening very well. It's very expensive. Okay, this is the door shock. Okay, I think this is the left and this is the right side. I'm gonna install it and show you how it does. Okay, this is the left hand side. This is right hand side. This is the this is right hand side shock, Mclaren 570 shock, brand new. Because the door is not opening very well. I mean, when I purchased the car, when I open the door, automatically pop up the door, but now no. That's why I want to replace right and left side. I will show you. Okay, before install the shocks, I mean left and right side, make sure the lock is open. I mean it's like this, okay? Because usually this lock in top section, okay? With driver screw you have to push here like this, okay? If not, you can't install this. Why? Because do you see you have teeth in this side, left right side, okay? If I bring down the lock after I install, it's not moving. I mean it's good. You should have to do that. I mean, if I before I install, if the lock in the bottom side, you can't install this. Why? Because you have two teeth in the left and right side. That's why you have to open the lock, okay, to the upper side like this. You have a little bit gap here. Do you see? Just gap here. You have with this straight driver screws, you have to push to the gap side and like this, and now you can install. After you install, you have to lock it. If you don't lock, it's pop up automatically. It's dangerous. Be careful. After you install, you have to lock it. Do you see this gap? You have to bring up this lock. You have to bring up to make sure it's locked, okay? But now I already unlock it, because this section, this lock section was in the middle, but I just pushed to this way. Also you can push to that way too, but just this way is much easier, because with the driver screw you don't have a space to push this way. It's difficult a little bit. The same as this side. I already unlock it. You see, this is unlocked. Do you see this gap, this space? This is for the lock. I mean, if I push this way, automatically lock it, and after that you can't install or you can't remove from the door. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna show you. Okay guys, I just wanted to let you know I just replaced the shocks. As you've seen, this is the old shock, left hand side. Do you see? I just unlock it to remove the old shock. You have to push up, okay, like this. If it goes like this down, it's locked. You cannot to install anything. You cannot to install the shock, okay? but the door it didn't open very well, okay? But now after I replace, I wanted to show you. Look, excellent, excellent. Let me show you other side. Okay, do you see? Oh my god. Yeah. The shock is very powerful. Okay, I just removed this gasket, okay? Underneath you have this lock. You have, with the turn screws, you have to push up, okay? Up to unlock. And remove the shock. And the top section the same. You have to remove the top section, I mean the lock, and after that, this is two-person job, not one person. One person should be hold the door and another one should be replaced, okay? I hope you enjoy the video. Okay. Do you see? Easily open. Because the shock is new, that's why I just afraid. It's very powerful. Okay. I mean, before I replace the shock, when you open the door, for example, like this, stay like this. It's not moving up, but now it's moving easily. Okay. And this is the same. Do you see? Oh my god, amazing. But the shocks is very expensive. Okay. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like, subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.